students of PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Kananad. I am Balasurya.
I am Niranjan.
I am Naveen.
I am Sheila. We are excited to present our project, Automatic Waste Sorting Machine. Our aim is to create a system that helps manage waste by automatically categorizing it into types like recyclable, non-recyclable, and organic materials. This innovation aims to make recycling easier and reduce environmental pollution.
Every day, tons of waste is mixed together. Plastic, paper, metal, and organic trash. Sorting them manually can take time and effort, often leading to pollution when done incorrectly. That is why we wanted to create a system that can automatically sort waste and make recycling easier and cleaner.
The automatic waste sorting machine works by placing the waste on the disposal area. When the waste is inserted to the disposal area, it will categorize into three: recyclable, non-recyclable, and organic waste. The sensor will identify the kind of waste and it gives signal to the microcontroller and it start process. And it will sort it into chambers.
Here we have the prototype for our project, that is the automatic waste sorting dustbin. Here imagine we are having a waste of plastic water bottle. And here we will put this through this waste disposal area, and this machine will act according to the algorithm, and the waste will be automatically transmitted to recyclable waste. And whether we are having an organic waste, the system will detect by its nature, and it will directly go to the organic waste compartment. And the area here that is of the organic waste part will blink its light, and the same goes for non-recyclable.
If someone put the waste outside this area, the camera will capture the person's photo.
In conclusion, our project is simple, but it can change how the waste particles in our area is being recycled. It can decrease human effort, and the method of recyclability will be increased. And hoping for a better future, thank you and have a nice day.